Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Today, there's the chance for some scattered showers out there as we get to the afternoon and evening hours, even into tonight. I do think temperatures will be climbing into the upper 80s to the north, more some low 90s to the south. Winds will generally be variable from 3 to 7. I think they'll turn out of the north by later on this evening. 89 is where we get to in Bruce, Pontotoc, and in Tupelo. 88 in Calhoun City and in Houston. Into the Golden Triangle. Winona at 89. Ackerman, 90. West Point and Starkville at 91. We'll get to 93 in Macon. West Alabama, 89 in Soldier, and in Vernon, 91 will be the high today in Reform. Now, as far as who gets the rain and storms here, notice by 8 a.m. we're seeing just some scattered showers off to our north and to our west. We'll have all morning to watch them here, not expecting anything significant. By lunchtime, we may have a few isolated showers pop up there, but most of those rain remains off to the north and to the west. Can't rule out a few rumbles of thunder with this, but we'll keep it at showers and just mention the chance for some thunderstorms here. And by 3 o'clock along the US 278 corridor, it seems like that the Golden Triangle and most of West Alabama may miss out during the daytime. I think as we get into tonight, though, the chances then pick up for us along the US 82 corridor. And then we may end up seeing some more scattered showers pop up during the day on Tuesday, though I think those remain south of the US 82, Tupelo, and West Alabama remaining dry. Now, this first round will not have a lot of rain with it. Unfortunately, many of us will remain dry. Here, rainfall amounts will generally be 1 to 2/10, if that. Maybe some locally heavier amounts with some thunderstorms can form and move through. But overall, many of us, I still think, have a good shot of missing out on a good drink of water. More so just some sprinkles or a light shower pushing on through with this first round. There may very well be another round here. That boundary coming on, it doesn't have a lot of energy to it here. As we get into Wednesday and Thursday, then another boundary looks to come in from the north, and I think that's going to bring the chance for some more isolated showers Wednesday, Thursday, though I'm not holding my breath on that. High pressure overall is the big story and taking control for us here. Over the next 7 days, then, between these two rounds, overall, not a lot of rain is expected, unfortunately. It's a start, but not enough for what we need. It looks like we're staying warm, too. I've got temperatures remaining above average all the way into the weekend and beyond likely. I think this month's going to end above average and dry. Above average temperatures and dry, likely even through the beginning of October as we look forward. Quick check in the tropics here. This time of year, we got to watch that. That's where we can sometimes get heavy rain. Tropical Storm Jerry is not our answer. It is moving to the north-northwest at 9 miles an hour. Will continue its curve to the north and to the east, remaining out at sea as a tropical storm all the way through Friday. No concerns for mainland U.S. impacts there. Tropical Storm Karen is newly formed over the weekend. It's not very impressive on radar here, on satellite here, and it is carrying off to the north through Puerto Rico as a tropical storm. Notice what it does, though. As we head into Friday, it starts to take a little bit of a left turn there. I cannot rule out the Gulf of Mexico. I cannot rule out U.S. impacts. In fact, the reason for that, a big ridge of high pressure, is keeping it from escaping out to sea, so it has one option to the west. That's something we'll have to monitor. We'll have a lot of time to do that here. It would be a next week problem if it does, in fact, come closer to the U.S. Then finally, out at sea, Tropical Depression 13, expected to strengthen it into a tropical storm, and eventually a hurricane. It likely looks to stay out to sea in the near future. Over the next 7 days in our region, temperatures remaining warm, overall dry, a few isolated showers out there today and tomorrow, even Wednesday and Thursday. Overall, though, I think many of us remain dry, seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies all the way into the weekend.